Who said eating healthy should be boring? Cannot though. Hello beautiful people, let's make some delicious, incredible recipe that is wonderful for weight loss. Let's go. So the first thing first, you're gonna put your beef in the on fire. I'm using grounded beef for this recipe. So we're seasoning with some. And for the seasoning, I'm seasoning with some chopped onions, some seasoning cubes. You just go ahead and add any seasoning of your choice. I added some pepper and salt, black pepper. Just season your beef to your own preference. Okay. And I added some basil leaf just to give it extra flavor. Mix, mix, mix. And of course, you allow your beef to cook until it is brown. Toss together. Stir it up so that it will cook evenly. And allow, if your beef is like this, just know that it is good. So we're gonna be taking out the juice from the beef. We're not needing it, okay? And take it out. So right now we're gonna be adding some cheese. I don't have the shredded cheese, so I'm using the string. I'm using the string cheese for this. We're gonna melt in. More cheese. Melting in another bowl. We're going to crack some eggs. These eggs are boiled already. You're supposed to hold your eggs, dice it, and then a bit like this. Okay. Prepare your egg looking like this. Okay. Adding ranch. This some Chick-fil-A sauce. Love it. Add a little bit of sweetness in it. Then mix, mix, mix. Please on the light for me. Good, thank you. So here is our leaves. This is lettuce leaf. We're going to layer everything down the way we want it. can double your leaves. So that's cooking your delicious mixed filling and each of it. Struggling with the cheese. So good, man. I love this sauce from Finland. I'm just gonna add a little bit of it. I have some pickles. Just tap it in there. I'm gonna add more sauce. For garnishing and the extra creaminess and sweetness. And voila, your breakfast is ready. This is delicious, healthy, yummy. Let's have a taste together. Just fold it like this. So good.
Hello, Mommy.
Thank you very much. Water. Thank you, my love. Want a taste? Like it? So good. I'll catch you in my next video. Have a lovely day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Will you be trying this? Go and make yours. Let me know what you think. We'll love it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, comment, and of course share with your friends. Have a lovely day. Remain blessed.